Meaning of gratuity.
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 Gratuity. Gratuity refers to a sum of money given voluntarily to someone, usually as a reward for their services. It is typically an amount in addition to that which is owed or expected, and is often given in appreciation for exceptional service. For example, a gratuity may be given to a server at a restaurant for excellent service. A gratuity can also refer to a tip given at the end of a service or contract, such as in the case of a concierge or a freelance worker. It is not a mandatory payment, but rather a gesture of gratitude.